What's up, do-it-yourselfers? Thanks for tuning in to Small Engine Repair Channel, where our main goal is to make sure you know that you have the ability to fix or repair whatever you want to take on. What's up, everybody? This is going to be quick. We're going to do this demonstration on a Yamaha, but it should apply to pretty much any quad, but maybe a little different some circumstances. Tip number 1, does it have fuel in it? If it doesn't, why not? Is it leaking? Did he run it out? Who ran it out? Whatever. Let's figure that out. Tip number 2, is the battery charged? If not, once again, why not? Charge issued, cold battery, what? If the battery's charged, it takes us into tip number 3. Will it start or will it crank? If it won't start, which this one won't, we're gonna have to figure out why. Tip number 4, axle boots. Are they cracked? Is there grease around them? Yada yada, so forth. It brings us into tip number 5, differential fluid. Is there residue around the case? You want to check for murkiness. Tip number 6, leaking shocks. This thing will pogo all over the place if our shocks are leaking. Tip number 7, drive shaft. If our drive shaft is worn at all or sloppy, we need to address that. Tip number 8, control arms. Is there grease in the Zerk fittings? On this one there's not. How do the bushings look? How does the hardware look? Etc. As you can see, we're pointing them out here in the video. Where you should be looking is, are they sloppy, wearing, so on and so forth. Tip number 9, rear end. We're going to check all the things we just went over in the front end, check them in the rear end. Axle boots, diff fluid, etc. Tip number 10, coolant. Is the coolant on? This one's a little low, as you can see in the reservoir tank. It is a little low. Tip number 11, fuel leaks. We're going to look right under here and you're going to see there is residue all over the starter and then the bottom of the fuel bowl. This one does have fuel leaks. Tip number 12, does it have engine oil? And we're going to check right here. This one, you can check it on the side. Some of them have sight glasses. This one has a dipstick. Remove the dipstick and we're going to check the engine oil right here. Check the level. I'm going to sniff it to see if it has fuel in it or not. And we're going to put it back in the machine. Tip number 9, remove the seat. We're looking for pack rat nest. We're looking for what it looks like, if there's a bunch of debris, so on and so forth. Which will bring us right into tip number 13, air filter check. Does it have a nest in here, mice nest, etc.? How's the air filter look? Tip number 14, the electrical connectors should be right next under the seat. And what does the battery look like? Tip number 15 and final, how do the brakes feel? The handle's right there and the foot pedal below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Good luck with your purchase. One last thing, if there's something on this video or not on this video that you have a question about on your quad, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to answer your question.